If you've made a payment through this app and need to request a refund, follow these simple steps to ensure you get your money back. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the f-shark.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Go to the chat. Navigate to the chat with the person or business you sent the payment to. This is where you will initiate the refund request. Step 3. Request a refund. Send a message to the recipient asking for a refund. Be clear and polite in your request, stating the amount and the reason for the refund. Step 4. Wait for a response. Give the recipient some time to respond to your refund request. They may need to process the refund on their end, so patience is key. Step 5. Contact support if necessary. If you do not receive a response or the refund is not processed, contact WhatsApp support for assistance. Provide them with details of the transaction and your refund request. By following these steps, you can effectively request a refund for a payment made through WhatsApp. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further help.